Yes, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now you hear me lick 3 shot for fisheye because there is word on the street that there is no money for the funeral. Now I heard they're collecting money in Cockburn Pen, Section 2, Canada, America, England, for this man's funeral. Now my thing is, them damn Jews here, when them are both them are flex and them are bad man and them are do this and that, yo. How come them not put on the money for certain things? Them out there, them are run the road, them are do all sorts of things. And you want to tell me you can't put away even 1, 5, 10 grand for your funeral, my youth? You leave the burden for all your family members, them, especially when you were out there doing wrong things. How does that work? I am not happy that Fisheye can't wait him to find the money for bury my body. But it's the same thing all the time. The Don Jews them get slapped away and there's no money. You have one of them when you Rick Banks too. Same thing happened to him. He might work with certain people, and when them fling him away, a Rick Banks father have to pick up the burial thing. You understand? So that Don Jews here in front away, him get slapped away, and the people them are big money in a Cockburn Pen, New York, England, Jamaica, wherever. Fisheye no give nobody nothing. Them youth here, let me tell you how them youth here flex. Them youth here straight magla. And you see, when them see you, if you look good, and you have a good little girl around you will look good, and that turn him on. You understand? And that turn on them sick man your dog. As long as you look good and your girl look good and your girl might come talk to. Yeah, them sick. You know them head. Now, suppose the man HIV positive or something, my lord. You don't want to grind behind man and them thing there. And I grind off people, the little boy, woman. I heard somebody talk about some disabled girl and I should show some compassion. Fisheye is a woman? No, he's not. He's a Don Juice from Cockburn Pen, Section 2. Where they live in Canada, we get fling away. Go to Jamaica and come back to America. And I run up and down. You know how much thing them money are doing after them lifetime? You understand? So Fisheye and nobody. But anyways, that's the word on the street. I'm not take up on the time. I leak one more shot for that boy, yeah. And my name is Countryman. Like, share, and subscribe and hit the notification button. Now, if you hear the word on the street to them, I collect money for that youth at funeral, hit me up. And remember, check out the WhatsApp group and the member section. Countryman out.